Hi everybody, only 9 days till Christmas, and so let the countdown begin. Just letting you all know that all of our holiday decor is on sale between 25 and 50% off, except for Old World Christmas ornaments. Those are 10% off. So if you're looking for some last minute gifts, whether it's a beautiful, fresh arrangement of Christmas greens or some stuff to sort of liven up your pots, or if you're looking for ornaments or holiday decor, stop in because you will have some really good savings on a lot of the really great stuff that we have in stock. I'm standing here in front of the candy cane tree, or we represent the Candy Cane Guild. This was our best loved tree in our tree walk for 2022, so just sharing that with everybody. Also, if you're not sure what to get somebody for a Christmas present, I think that gift cards to stores where people have interests are always really great.
You're perfectly fine.
Everybody on the street corner does that, you know. I know it's nothing to do with me, but I have to be seen.
That is adorable. We love you. Super cute.
So if you're
that was so cute.
So as I was saying, if you're not sure what to get somebody for Christmas, I always love a Garden Center gift card. And through the 24th, for every $50 Garden Center gift card that you buy, you will get a free $10 gift card on us. So you can bump up that gift, or you can have something that's just for you, sort of, because it's as fun to receive as it is to give. You can do that in store or online. Go to our website, brucecompany.com, and on the upper right hand corner you'll see a little tab that says gift cards. Just click on that and you can pay for it online through our secure service. And if you've got somebody from out of town that you want to send it to, we can do that too. And I'm just going to wrap it up with a couple of hours changes that are coming through in the next few days. So we have our winter hours that begin on Sunday. So tonight, Friday, we're open till 6 o'clock. Tomorrow, Saturday, we're open 10 until 6. But on Sunday, our hours are going to shrink. So we will be open from 11 to 4. And just as a bonus for our staff who have worked so hard this season, we're going to have a little time where the store is closed over the holiday weekend. So Christmas Eve, we're only open till 1 o'clock. So that's 10 until 1 and closed on Christmas Day naturally. Happy holidays, happy Christmas, happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, happy all of those holidays to all of you from all of us here at the Bruce Company.